Greetings, welcome back. A blessed baby is born. More than 1400 years passed. Hazrat Abdullah and his wife, Hazrat Aminah, lived in the holy city of Mecca. It was not a very fertile city, so caravans came there to trade food and goods. A tribe called the Quraysh were the chief traders of the city. The tribe was both rich and noble. Hazrat Abdullah's family was part of the Banu Hashim clan of the Quraysh tribe. Soon after the death of Hazrat Abdullah, a child was born in the family. He lived with his mother Hazrat Amina and grandfather Hazrat Abdul Muttalib. A woman named Hazrat Bibi Halima fed him and took care of him. She was his foster mother for 2 years. The family received many blessings of Allah while the baby lived with them. At the age of 12, the child went to Syria with his uncle Hazrat Abu Talib. On the way, when they reached Basra, a Christian monk advised Hazrat Abu Talib to take good care of his nephew as he was blessed with the prophethood. This orphan child grew to be the noblest man of Arabia. He was so truthful and trustworthy that people called him Al Sadiq and Al Amin. The name of the blessed baby was Hazrat Muhammad Khatmin Bihin Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The swing. How do you like to go up in a swing, up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it's the pleasantest thing. Oh, I do think it's the pleasantest thing ever a child can do, up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide, rivers and trees and cattle and all over the countryside, till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown. Up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. Listen a while. People call Ali and Rabia opposites because they are very different. Read and say the sentences and notice the use of opposite words. Ali is tall and thin. Ali likes cartoon. Today Ali is sad. Rabia is a short and Rabia dislikes cartoon. Today Rabia is happy. Giggles has a toothache. Giggles, the little hippo, loves sweets. Yum, I just love sweets. Giggles, you are eating sweets again. Stop it now. Please, please, mummy, just a few more. Stop it, Giggles, or you will have a bad toothache. You know how much I love sweets. Please, mummy, just two more. If you do not listen, Giggles, Giggles, you will be sorry. I am going hide this jar. I know where the sweets are. Gobble, gobble, gobble. What is it? Tell me, son, what is it? Oh, my tooth hurts. Oh, now you have a toothache. Did you eat more sweets? Do not cry, dear. The dentist will make you well again. Snip, snip. Please help him, doctor. He has a toothache. Now, little one, you have eaten too many sweets. Let me see. What can I do? Now there is no pain. Thank you, doctor. 30 minutes. Remember, son, do not eat too many sweets. Rinse your mouth every time you eat. Brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and at night. I am sorry. I didn't listen to you, mommy. I will never do it again. As long as you remember your promise. Giggles. So, what do you know? What does Giggles love to eat? Did he follow the mummy's advice? Why did Giggles cry? Where did mummy take Giggles? How many times doctor advised Giggles to brush his teeth? There you go. You are on page 77. Write one sentence about each picture and tell what is happening. It means that you have to create a story that you read. Chapter 9, Visit to a Forest. My uncle's name is Jahan Zaib Ali. He is a forest officer. Last week, he planned to take our family with him to explore the forest. We were thrilled and excited as it was the first time that we were going to the forest with him. He often had told me and my brother stories about various animals. We hoped to see some of them. Visit to a forest. It was early in the morning when we started our journey inside the forest. There was very little sunlight. We were excited yet scared. It was very quiet all around. Uncle told us not to make any noise. We sat quietly next to him. After driving through the forest for half an hour, Uncle suddenly stopped the